Let's play Jingle Bell Rock on the ukulele in the key of G. You can follow along right here, and I'll give you the info to get this PDF as well as the play along track at the end of the video. Get your ukulele tuned up. It's time. It's time to rock out with some jingle bells. All right, we're gonna do the whole tune twice and a couple repeats at the very end. Let's go. Jingle Bell Rock, little intro, and then we're off. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing of bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. It's the right time, it's the right time to rock the night away. The Jingle Bell time is a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle to a jingling beat, yeah. That's the Jingle Bell Rock. Let's go. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bell ring. Snowing and blowing of bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet and jingle around the clock. A mix and mingle in jingling beat. Come on, that's the jingle again. That's the Jingle Bell. That's the Jingle Bell Rock. Okay, how'd you do? Were you hanging in there? Really fun song, super popular. If you guys want to get the song sheet and the play along track, you can do that right here at patreon.com/Kalani. Join us over there. And if you are doing this around the holidays, you can join the Ukulele Holiday Challenge. Click the link below to find out how, maybe win an ukulele, who knows. Please subscribe before you click away. And whatever you do, you know, you guys need to rock those jingle bells, because if you're not going to do it, who's going to do it? All the jingle bell rockers are, you know what happened. All right, I hope you do rock out. If you have any kind, helpful tips, comments, leave them below. If you'd like to connect with me more, you can do that at patreon.com/Kalani, KalaniMusic.com. And go rock out, you guys. I'll have an instructional video on this, a little bit longer, a little more in-depth, also below. So if you want to have that, I'll see you over there. But go out and make some great music. Cheer up some folks. See you soon.